How to remotely read text messages on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can remotely read text messages in Android. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's start. First of all, open up your web browser. Any web browser should work just fine. And you'll need to head over to this website. So let me show you the website. Just head over and type in https:// and messages.google.com/web. After you're on the website, this is what you'll see. Now you can do it this way, as it says right here. Open up your phone, open Google Messages, sign in into your account, and then come back and refresh and something like this. But what you can also do is pair with a QR code. So tap on pair with a QR code and you will get a QR code right here. You can toggle on this remember this computer option, and after you've done that, you can see this what to do next. Now just open up your friends or families or whichever device you want to use to remotely read the text and head over to their messages app. After you're on their messages app, tap on the circle or your profile icon on the top right. After you do that, tap on device pairing and then tap on this option that says switch to QR pairing and use QR code scanner. After you use QR code scanner, scan the QR code that was shown previously, and after you do that, you are good to go. Now you should be able to remotely read the text messages on Android. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye and take care.